Today I'm going to give a review about the Triggera Krigg. So the Triggera Kriggs are designed to replace a full-blown electronic bass drum. They come equipped with a regular jack input of 6.35mm, which is connected to a piezo element enclosed in a rubber protected metal casing, which resembles the pad if you will. Unfortunately, I've had the problem that the jack inputs couldn't keep the cables attached to it, so I had to solder different jack inputs on them. It's not a hard thing to do, and the right jack inputs for it are very cheap with costs around a few cents. Nevertheless, that seems to be an issue with some of them. So, how does it work? The aforementioned pad gets hit by the downside of your kick pedal, which then sets off the piezo inside, and that's basically it. Attaching the Krigg to your pedal is also very easy and works like on a regular bass drum or bass drum pad too. You'll take the Krigg and place it on your pedal on the same spot where your drum hoop of your bass drum gets connected, and tighten the screw to hold the Krigg in position. You then adjust the height of the place where your pedal hits the Krigg with this small screw. Once you fix the height of the pad, it won't move at all. After that, just connect it to the module of your choosing. If you want to use two Kriggs at the same time, you are forced to use a Y-splitter cable, for example, if you are into some double bass drumming. As you can see, the Kriggs are very heavy duty and quite heavy for their size too, which I think is a very positive thing. One of the biggest advantages beside its small size is that it's extremely quiet, and if you put some felt on the pad, it's even quieter. To give you a perspective, here is a comparison between a Roland TD9 and the Triggera Krigg. I have tried it with the TD4 and the TD9 module of Roland, and I have found the triggering to be very sensitive. But this largely depends on the settings of your module and the module itself, which is why I won't provide an example on that one. Now, how does it feel playing a Krigg? The feeling of the Krigg compared to a regular bass drum or a regular bass drum pad is completely different, and I wouldn't recommend it for metal drumming or something alike, since I have tried it for some days and I haven't found a way to get my technique working in the way I wanted. Some users have expressed that they got completely used to it and could even play very fast stuff on it. I, however, find it too much of a difference to me than to just get along with it. As I also have to play regular drum pedals from time to time, I don't like using something completely different on my daily drum routines. From my personal experience, I would say that the Kriggs are very well suited for situations where you don't need super advanced drumming techniques, where space and noise are the main problems. Probably regular pop and electronic projects, especially when using a product like the Octopad, are the things I would use these ones for. If you want the feel and behavior of a regular bass drum pad, buy a bass drum pad, but if you rather play some 4-on-the-floor stuff, these should get the job done as well. However, I want to mention that I haven't got any money by Triggera or anyone else to make this video. I just thought some people could find this review quite helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.